Welcome! In this video, we'll explore a resource from the beginning of your Space Hazards Educator Guide called Navigating the Unit. This resource provides educators with an overview of the goals and activity sequence for both the engineering and science pathways. Ideally, learners complete both science and engineering pathways. If time is limited, each pathway can still be done as a standalone series. Now let's dig into the Space Hazards unit. Each planet's unit starts by engaging all learners in a context-setting activity called Ready, Set, Go. Ready, Set, Go shows how scientists and engineers work together. For example, scientists build knowledge engineers use, and engineers create tools scientists need to investigate problems. In the Space Hazards Ready, Set, Go activity, learners are introduced to the phenomenon of space junk. Learners engage as scientists as they figure out how much damage space junk can cause to spacecraft, and then as engineers as they design shields to protect against that damage. Don't skip the Ready, Set, Go activity. It sets the stage and helps learners understand what they'll be doing in the upcoming activities. Each planet's unit follows Ready, Set, Go, with an opportunity for learners to share their own stories. In Space Hazards, it is called Safety Stories, Sharing Experiences. If doing both the science and engineering pathways, learners only need to do Ready, Set, Go and Adventure 1 once. Now let's take a look at the Space Hazards Science pathway. Learners play a card game to think like planetary scientists, investigating Earth and space hazards, and exploring strategies humans use to mitigate the hazards. Adventures 2 through 4 are designed to introduce learners to space hazards and mitigations in their communities and other areas of Earth. Adventure 5 asks learners to build on what they've learned so far and apply that knowledge to exploring hazards and mitigations in space. In the final activities, learners apply what they've learned to design a hazard reduction strategy for a NASA mission and share their plan with others. Now, let's take a look at the Space Hazards Engineering pathway. Learners take part in an engineering design process to develop space gloves that protect astronaut hands against 3 space hazards: cold temperatures, impact, and dangerous dust. Adventures 2 through 5 are designed to give learners experiences with different materials used to make gloves. They also test and compare how these materials protect against different hazards. In Adventures 6 and 7, learners apply what they've learned in the previous activities to design, test, and improve their own space gloves. In the final adventures, learners share their designs for their space gloves. Thanks for taking the time to watch this overview of the Space Hazards Science and Engineering pathways. Check out our website and other videos to learn more about implementing planets.